Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101, where we give you fun, new rock painting ideas that anybody can create. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get painting.
So lettering is just one of those things. I get so many questions about it. And it just depends on how you grew up writing, I think, as to how some of these tutorials will work. But we're going to turn just a regular love into a cursive love. So as you saw there at the beginning, I had love written on my rock as simple as possible. Now we're going to add a loop and thicken the vertical line on our love on the letter L. So I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen. You can practice these kind of things on paper as well. I've linked to practice sheets in the past before, but this is more of a start with a standard letter and make it look hand letter. So now we're going to take the vertical left hand side of that O and thicken it, and we add a little swoop on the right hand side. Now the left hand side of the V we're thickening, and then we're going to swoop to connect it to the E. Now we're going to trace along the E and make the left side of the E a little bit thicker. And just like that, you have this cursive love, and it looks beautiful. A couple touch-ups here and there, and try to smooth some things out, but we can add a couple little hearts. Now I have a second design. If you're not quite ready to connect all your letters together, that's okay. I have another little simple stylish love that you can do. Again, just write your letters on as basic as possible. We are going to widen the top of our letter L and come to a point at the bottom, and go ahead and fill in that design. This rock has a little bit of a rough patch, so I'm being extra careful. I did get one little splatter by my O. Now we're going to take the top of the O, like where you would start your O, and widen that. And we're going to slowly taper it back to a point. And then we're just going to wrap that around. Now on the left hand side of the V, we're going to widen that as well and bring it down to a tip. We're going to go back over that right hand side, but we're going to keep it about the same thickness. It's just going to be careful because of this rough patch. And then on our E, we're going to widen that left hand side and swoop it around. And as simple as that, you've gone from plain stick letters to a more stylish design word of love. So whether you're trying to get that cursive look or just trying to jazz up your letters a little bit, here are two quick options for you that you can use either on your rock painting designs or writing love letters or whatever you want to do. I hope this was helpful.